Alright, so you know what chokes do, but do you know what the barrel length means to your shot? So we've got a target, it's blown over, but it's at 25 metres. We have an Ackar Churchill, so this bad boy here. So chose this one because it has two sets of barrels. So we have a set of 20-inch barrels and a set of 30-inch barrels. Going to use the same chokes for both. So we have a full choke and an improved on the end there, so those two chokes will be the same. So the chokes won't change, it will just be the barrel length. So we'll fire 2 rounds, 1 through each choke at the same target, 2 different targets, see what it does. Stay tuned. Ammunition for today is Winchester Club Load 7.5s, 2 3/4 inch shells, going 1200 feet per second. Pick those because they're probably the most easy to see the pattern because it has so many fucking propellants. It has so many shot pellets. Has like 350 or something like that. So I'll hand the camera over to Jeff and we'll get shooting. Oh, what the fuck? Let's go and have a look. Let's see what the shot pattern did. Holy fuck.
Oh, yep.
Alright, so even with a full choke and an improved, we're spreading literally edge to edge. Most of the shot pattern though is in the center here, but that's pretty much the full width. So let's see if 30-inch barrels changes that shot pattern, because everyone tells me, you gotta have long barrels for shooting birds. So let's see if that's true. So let's see what happens. Woo! Well, that did tighten up the pattern.
Yeah.
Not significantly, but noticeably. Well, let's put them side by side and compare them. Come. So this is the short barrels, and obviously we're edge to edge, not quite height to height. We're probably about there, but we're edge to edge. Here, the long barrels, it does seem to be a little bit more consistent of a spread. It's a little bit skinnier, so we're only this edge. We're still edge to edge, but they're more centered. So it's not a great deal of difference, but it is noticeable. So there you go. If you've got a 20-inch set of barrels and you want to hunt with them, it's probably not going to change your shot pattern that much. But if you have the option to go to long barrels, then yeah, go to long barrels and you're going to have a better shot pattern. What that does with different ammunition is going to change as well, and you should always shot pattern your shotguns before you go and hunt with them, because that way you know what your pattern is. Anyway, catch you next video. All right.